www.a1polishking.com 403-700-7626 for any of your custom aluminum, stainless, paint, metals. We will polish it to a mirror image finish, as you can see. Check out our Facebook page, A1 Polish King and Supply Shop Incorporated. Press the like button and I'll send you a complimentary bottle of metal polish. Sorry for the pause here, I'm just trying to walk some uneven grounds. These wheels were Durabrights. We had to take them off, strip them. It's not fun, but what's fun is seeing that done. Go to the website, check us out. That's where the Facebook link is too. And thank you for watching.